There are a number of different ways in which you can adjust your home screen and your My Screen in your new Panamera. Your home screen here can be adjusted by the settings icon. Adjust sorting. Here you just hold on to an icon and you move it to the desired location. You'll see the little blue cursor telling you where you need to go. After which you select confirm. You can also change menu items on the left-hand side as well. You select the icon, rearrange, and move that icon to the side. You'll notice that it has a surround of the icon on the side. After which you select confirm and your home screen has been reconfigured. You can also adjust the settings for your My Screen. There are a couple different ways to get to your My Screen. You can select the home icon here and it will change your cursor to the right-hand side. You'll notice the 3 different screens, which this is your My Screen. There's another way to do that, and that is just swipe. You can adjust each of these columns here in settings. Select the settings icon, configure My Screen. There are a number of different possibilities in which you can move to these 3 columns. I'll select the weather for one, trip for the second, and I'm going to select map for the third. After you've made your adjustments, select confirm. And that's how you configure your home screen and your My Screen in your new Panamera.